Do temporary on-screen messages disappear before you have time to read them? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you explain how long certain action messages remain visible, giving you more time to read or respond. Let me show you how. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Then tap Interaction and Dexterity. Under the Interaction section, tap Time to take action. Here, choose how long temporary action messages stay on the screen. You can choose default, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 2 minutes. For this example, let's choose 30 seconds. This can be helpful if you sometimes need a little extra time to read temporary on-screen messages before they disappear. And that's how you change time to take action on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.